Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. Topic for today is all about weld joint detail. Okay, for preparation for butt joint. Okay, so for the new 5 feeter, you must understand how many degrees, what is the degrees of the bevel, what is the landing, okay, what is the gap, because this is the important details of the uh, joint before welding. And also of course we have a inspection after fit up, and they are inspector checking the degrees of the bevel, of course, the landing, the gap. Okay, and we have also basis on the WPS. So what is WPS? So WPS is welding procedure specification. Okay, in the site, in the fabrication, they have uh, WPS attaching on the board. Where are you working? Okay, if you are working on the site, if you are working the fabrication, WPS are in the board, so that you have information regarding what is the details of each every uh, materials. Okay, so I have a drawing here. So this is it. So this is the well joint detail preparation butt joint. Okay, so let's say this is our 5, and this is the standard of the degrees of the bevel. Okay, we have a 37.5. In the WPS, they have positive, negative, uh, 2.5. Okay, in the WPS joint details. So the same, if you are just check the WPS, the same with this joint details. They have size of the degrees and also the landing. Okay, 37.5. And of course we have uh, in the other WPS, they have 1.6 landing. Okay, well, 1.6 landing, and also we have a gap of 3 mm. Okay, so this is the standard. Okay, we have a gap of 3 mm, and also they have a positive, negative, 0.8 millimeter for the, if you are checking in the WPS. Okay, so that this is the details. If you bevel degrees, so we have a 75 degrees. Okay, this is our center line. Okay, this is a center line. We have this is it. So in the half of the bevel, they have 37.5. Okay, so this is a 70 degrees level of degrees, 75 degrees. Okay, 1.6 mm landing, and we have a 3 mm. So please note this all the details of this. So because they have, during interview, they have also question also what is the joint details, and what is the standard gap, standard bevel, and also the landing. Please check always in the WPS what is the uh, joint details, base, what is the base metal. Okay, joint design, and of course they have also preheat, so that this is the information in the WPS, filler metals, post weld head, so that you are informed about what materials you are fit up. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. I hope you have learned regarding this weld joint details. Okay, and Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.